Hey everyone, Jackie here with another To the Frontier tip of the week, and today I'm going to share a few tips to perfect your Pinterest marketing game. First, we need to start with how Pinterest works. Pinterest is a unique social platform that actually functions more like a search engine. It influences buying decisions because people use Pinterest when they're actively considering what to do or buy next. Now, the two main places where your pins are going to be served to pinners are the Smart Feed and the Search Feed. The Smart Feed is basically the main home screen. It's the first thing pinners see when they log in. Your pins will show up here if the pinner follows you, if they've pinned something from you before, or if your pin aligns with an interest that they have. If a pinner searches for kitchen remodel and your pin matches those keywords, it'll show up in the Search Feed. Brands of all sizes have an opportunity to reach people in the search feed. So, the very first thing you need to do is to make sure that your profile is branded and organized. If someone goes to your profile, they should be able to tell right away what you're selling and what you're talking about. Second, use the right keywords so that your ideal pinner can find your content. Think of words that you would search for if you were the ideal pinner looking for your product. Third, be consistent in daily pinning. Pinterest favors users who contribute to the community consistently. You don't have to pin a lot, even just 4 or 5 pins a day makes a difference. And you don't have to pin all your own unique content either. A lot of your activity can be repinning others' content. Just make sure that it's related to your business or your target market. Last, but certainly not least, create great visuals. Your visual is your first impression, and it has to be great. A large number of people save pins before they even click on them, so your title and your description needs to be supportive and secondary to the image. When you create a new pin, start from your audience's perspective. What are they looking for? What problem do they need to solve? What aspects of your image will pull them in? When it comes to the design of the image, you'll need to include 3 things: a great photo, text overlay, and your logo. Pick high-quality images that bring your topic or product to life. A 2:3 ratio performs best, so I would recommend 600 pixels wide by 900 pixels tall. Make sure that the text overlay is easy to read and keep your logo subtle. There's no other rules that you have to follow, but the best design tip that I can give anyone is just to keep it simple. Hopefully these tips give you a great start to perfecting your Pinterest marketing. If you have any questions or if you want a more hands-off approach to marketing on Pinterest, just give us a call. Thanks for watching our To the Frontier tip of the week.